is Debbie from Project 39, and I want to show you this adventure mini album. This is going to be the style that I'm doing a tutorial on, so I wanted to show it to you real quick. So first of all, there is the cover. It is 8.5 by about 5.5 by about 2.5. The cover, it's a chipboard cover, chipboard spine. I did use some paper and some of the stickers that came with one of the collections on here. So in the front page there is a double pocket. You can make these pockets any size you want. This was what I made for this one, and this is a photo mat, and this one is a little folder, so you could put some nice pictures in there. Now there's 6 separate pages, and each page has the same style. It's going to have a small flap on the front, it's a pocket page, and then there's a larger flap on the back. So here's the first flap, and there's room here to write. Now if you didn't want to obviously write on there, you could just grab some paper and put it on here, cut it off, and you could journal on there. I don't know that I would use white, but you get the idea. So, and then this is a great spot for a picture. I know the graphics are beautiful, but still it's a good spot for a picture. Here is the pocket page. So that goes right in there. And then this opens up, and that's a great spread for a couple of shots too. And so here's the back of that, and here we go to page 2. So again, this is a 3x4 cut apart. There's the back, room for a picture. There's the pocket page and the back flap. So here, instead of putting the flap on this page, I put it here just because it looked nice. It sort of was a good spread. And there's the photo mat, and there's that, and there's the back. So that I'll go back to the regular place to put the little pocket, a little 3x4 card. So you can put a 4x6 photo on here, or you could cut down a couple of 4x4s as well. Love these fish. And here we go. Pretty wildflowers. There's the hidden pocket. I love this, Camp Run Amok. So room to put a photograph on both sides. And here's the back. I love the vintage trailer. And then the back is really cool. It's got sort of like floor plan or schematic of an old-fashioned vintage trailer. Okay, and there's that. And here's the flap with the different lures. And then here's the back. And then the very last page has a pocket with a flap, so you can get some extra pictures in here. And I always love putting those on the back, because if you had any extra things, you could stick them into that pocket. This, of course, has a library closure. And there we go. So there's the Adventure Mini Album by Project 39. And again, this is one that I've done a tutorial on. So if you look down at this description box, it will tell you how to get to the tutorial. I broke it into 2 different parts, so you can take your time and finish the cover and the binding mechanism in one part, and then how to make the pages and add the pages in part 2. If you have any questions, leave it in the description box. And thanks for watching.